crashed.
Hi.
Bro, yeah, it did.
For real?
Yeah.
Where?
A little bit behind there. Fuck! Ah!
What? Hey, you're finally awake. If you meet the tractor as well, it's like...
Meet a tractor, boys, and it's 07. Oh, shit, careful! Good, good, go, go, Samir! Samir!
You break the car!
Hard left, hard right! Hard left, hard right! Oh! Arab! Arab!
Fuck, man. Already, bro, suck
We're not going up there! Fuck.
Am I already stuck?
Yeah, I think so.
No!
Fuck! Let me see. Fuck!
Last second, our car is coming.
Fuck!
Fuck, it's going fast as well. Fuck!
I'm gonna die! Oh, he might help us!
Maybe.
He might help us!
Classic.
Halla?
Halla.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we're stuck.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how we're gonna do this.
Yeah, I'm also not sure.
Wait, but how did you find us? Did you just go up?
I'm on my way home.
No way!
All right.
That's insane!
In the...
There's no way! Okay, okay, okay.
Maybe plow a little bit of snow into the ditch here.
Okay, okay. Okay, do you see it now? I'll search up, yeah.
I can't see it yet. Maybe not.
Dig some snow up, I don't know.
Haha, true. Wow, that is so cool. Nice, bro. That is such a cool car.
Bro! Oh, oh.
Nice.
It's almost going past. That's like
Wow.
so close. Okay, ready? Go! Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Are you joking? Bro, that's insane. So we're supposed to
Thank you
try
so
like
much.
these roads there, and because people said it was good roads, and then yeah,
Well.
it went a little bit too-
It's a driver problem.
it was a driver problem. Let me say that.
It is also very slippery now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Around zero, it's...
Wow.
It is.
But that car, we
Yeah, I
need to
will.
get-
I will try.
almost at the
Yeah.
crossing. So,
Thank you so much for the help.
Oh, this works! No! That was the same place we picked them last time!